Hello, I'm Amaryllis and today I will show you how to make a cute advent calendar with cardboard. First, cut out flat pieces out of cardboard boxes. You first have to draw a house shape on the cardboard. I used a Sharpie to show you the shape I'm doing, but do it with a pencil. The house shape is about 8 centimeters width and 12 centimeters high. Now you have to draw flaps on the 3 sides of the house. Each flap is about 3 centimeters width. You see that I just use my ruler width to make the flap. And now you can cut out the shape using a ruler and a box cutter. This is the house shape you must have at this point with the 3 flaps. Then you will have to draw a door or a window with shutters to open the little house and get your treats. In the example here I draw 2 shutters, so you just cut the H shape. Cardboard is a thick material. So to be able to fold the flaps and the shutters, you have to mark the folds. With the cutter, make a slight cut following the folding lines. Then you can start folding the flaps to give the house its shape. Before gluing the house together, enjoy decorating it. Write down the number and then decorate using paint markers. Get creative with your designs and enjoy decorating the house. Time to glue the house together. Fold the flaps. Apply some glue on the edge and hold together while the glue dries. Now it's time to make the roof of the little house. Take the measure of the width of the little house. Then measure the roof tip, both sides. And cut a rectangle of cardboard following these dimensions. Measure the center of the cardboard rectangle and make a slight cut to mark the fold of the roof. Try the roof on to see if it fits well on the house. Use the paint marker to decorate the roof as you like. Use your glue gun to fix the roof on top of the house. To make the advent calendar, you will need 24 little houses. So you can play with different house dimensions. All the houses have the same width, which is 8 centimeters. You can make different door shapes or shutters shapes. The houses can have different depths. So I made houses of 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters and 3 centimeters deeps. And you can also make different roof shapes and different house heights. So let's get creative and make 24 houses. Look all the different designs you can create. You will need a large cardboard piece to make the back of the advent calendar. I wanted the back of the calendar to be strong enough, so I will glue 2 cardboard pieces on top of each other. To make the top of the base a little nicer, I cut out some triangle to make mountain shapes. Apply white glue on all the surface. Place the second cardboard piece on top of it and press. Put some heavy books on it while the glue dries. And you can draw some snow on top of the mountains. Place all the advent houses on the cardboard. You need to have 6 rows of 4 houses each. Center and align each row of houses. Once you are happy with the house display, add glue on the back of each house. Press it on the back. Hold a little while the glue dries and repeat until all the houses are glued in place. Display the advent calendar wherever you like and fill it with candies, chocolates, little gifts, anything you like. Have fun crafting your Christmas advent calendar. Please like and follow for more easy craft ideas.